Today what we're going to do is we're going to learn to sew a mask. Welcome to Kimberly's classroom. I've never sewn a mask before, and so this is going to be our challenge. This is my daughter, Silka, and she and I are going to be building a mask together. Today we went to Fabricland and we got some fabrics. We also have a tutorial how to sew a mask. So there's a level 1, level 2, and level 3. The beginner one, level 2, which is just a pleated fabric rectangle. And Silka is going to attempt to make
level 3, and we have the cutout right here.
And we also got some elastic so that we can put around our ears. Okay, so what we have done here is we've taken the pattern and we've put the straight pins all around it on both sides of the fabric. This is going to be 2 layers.
Or it's just going to be faster because we're doing 2.
Okay, so we cut in the middle there, and I think we accidentally cut our pattern. But what we're going to do is we're going to take the pattern off and we're going to start sewing. How do you do it, Silka?
So you glue it together, or
Yes.
we sew it. Then you put this here.
Yes.
And you do it like that. Then you put your chin here like that.
Yes.
See, chin, chin.
Yes.
Top, top.
Mm-hmm.
Then you do it.
And then you have a cone on your mouth.
Can I look in the mirror?
I've got a needle and I've made a really big knot at the end. And now Silka's going to start sewing the outside around here. Okay, so while Silka is sewing, I'm going to be making the level 2 beginner ones. And then, because I'm novice, I took a marker and I drew the lines across so I know exactly. And then I just took some safety pins here and put it along the side so that the fabric, the 2 pieces of fabric will stay together and they will get a cleaner cut. It's gonna be like a beard. What I'm doing is now I've cut the both of them. And what it says here to do is that you have to sew the elastic to side corners of one piece of fabric so it loops over center fabric. So what I'm going to do here is sew it on this side and this side. I'll show you how that goes. So the next thing I'm going to do is put a piece of fabric over the first piece of fabric. So I've just sewed this one in here, and then I'm going to sew along the sides, and then I'm going to flip it inside out.
For this one is I put half of it into here.
Yeah.
And then I folded it over, sewed this half, and then I kept that one loose so that I could take this half, put it in, fold it over, and sew it. Keep sewing it over to here.
Yeah, what a great idea.
I can't wait to see what this mask looks like when it's done.
Sewed the 2 pieces of fabric face to face together, and I've just used a single string. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to reverse it or turn it inside out. Oh, so I have this resemblance of a mask.
It looks like a purse to me.
It looks like a purse. Yes, it does. Look at that.
Purse.
It does look like a little purse, or it looks like a pencil case.
You could use it as that. You see?
It does look like a little pencil case. Now I'm just going to stitch it closed at the top. So I just tucked everything in. Put the pins in it to hold the fabric together before I sew it. Well, I've finished mine. I just did... I don't think that I'm going to win any awards for my sewing. Silka over here, she has completed hers, and we can see that hers, she did it with 1 fabric. Pretty good, I would say. Want to try that on? That's perfect. Well done. Okay, so I'm now making the pleats. I've never made pleats before, but I'm using again the help of pins. So because I'm just going to pinch it here at the side. Sorry if you could see that. I'm pinching it here and pinching it there. And I'm just going to, just do a couple of stitches here at the side. I'm just doing a couple stitches here and a couple stitches over here, which I've held together in place with pins. And I'll just do a couple stitches on this side, and then do a couple stitches on this side, and then I will be done. Well, I've finished the mask. I've made a few mistakes. My knots are on the wrong side, or they're on both sides. They should be on only one side towards my face. I definitely do need to cut off some of the extra string, but I think it's pretty good for a very novice sewer. So I would put it down here at the bottom here, and let's give it a try. So if I go like this and put it on, looks pretty good, breathable, and I've made it. So subscribe for more videos for Kimberly's Classroom, and we'll walk you through on getting ready for school with masks.